Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we've got a tankless water heater that was sent to me as a gift to test out in my home. Let's check it out.
This came packaged so nicely. It has a nice big cheat sheet that's a quick reference thing, as well as a very detailed booklet of instructions. It comes with the parts that you need, different adapters, vent, pipes, Teflon tape. You might need to get it. This does come with a loop so that you can have more continuous hot water, especially in further areas. And definitely read the instructions. You might need to get some adapters. We have an older home, and so we needed to get some pipe size adapters, which was not hard to find at our hardware store, but it was easy to adjust and make sure we had the right piping. So let's go get it installed. So the reference guide also works as a guide to help you know where to put in your bolts. We did find that this was actually a little bit inaccurate. You want to do 22.5 inches between the bolts. So just keep that in mind. This does come with the screws and hardware you'll need to hang this. It is a little heavy, but not too hard to get on there. And then you are good to go.
This is a good size. It's got a nice LED screen here where you can control all the different features. You can set this up for different seasons. You can set the temperature, turn it on and off. You can get the different cycles, eco mode. This is all explained in the manual, which is awesome. You can even connect this through Wi-Fi and control this on an app. The instructions for that are included with your device. This hooks up fairly easily. We did need to get some converters just because we live in an older home, and so our hose sizes were a little bit different. But this was fairly easy to install and hook up. The water the water is so nice and hot, like nearly instantly. The pressure is phenomenal. It really just lasts. The water is lasting for a long time, so we can take endless showers and wash the clothes and run the dishwasher. And it has just been so nice for our large family. We hope you enjoyed this as much as we do.